Hey everyone, and welcome to my video on how to earn $50 per hour as a Pinterest assistant. In this video, I'm going to cover everything you need to know to get started, from what a Pinterest assistant is to how to find clients and set your rates. 1. What is a Pinterest assistant? A Pinterest assistant is a virtual assistant who specializes in Pinterest. Pinterest is a visual social media platform where users can create and share pins, which are images or videos that link to websites or other online content. Pinterest assistants help their clients with a variety of tasks related to Pinterest, such as creating and scheduling pins, managing Pinterest accounts, creating Pinterest marketing strategies, analyzing Pinterest data. 2. Why become a Pinterest assistant? There are many reasons why becoming a Pinterest assistant can be a great career choice. First, Pinterest is a very popular platform, with over 450 million monthly active users. This means that there is a high demand for Pinterest assistants from businesses of all sizes. Second, Pinterest assistants can earn a good living. According to Upwork, the average hourly rate for a Pinterest assistant is $30–40 per hour. However, experienced Pinterest assistants can earn up to $50 per hour or more. Finally, becoming a Pinterest assistant is a great way to work from home and set your own hours. This makes it a great option for people who are looking for a flexible and rewarding career. 3. How to get started as a Pinterest assistant. If you're interested in becoming a Pinterest assistant, the first step is to learn everything you can about Pinterest. There are many resources available online and in libraries that can teach you about how to use Pinterest effectively. Once you have a good understanding of Pinterest, you need to start building your portfolio. This can be done by creating a Pinterest account for yourself and pinning high-quality content on a regular basis. You can also start offering your services to friends and family members for free or at a reduced rate. Once you have a portfolio of your work, you can start looking for clients. There are many ways to find clients, such as freelancing websites like Upwork and Fiverr, social media platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook, networking with other Pinterest assistants and business owners. 4. How to set your rates. When setting your rates, it's important to consider the following factors: your experience and skills, the type of services you're offering, the rates of other Pinterest assistants in your area. It's also important to be realistic about your rates. Don't set your rates too high, or you'll scare away potential clients. But don't set your rates too low, either, or you'll be undervaluing your services. 5. How to earn $50 per hour as a Pinterest assistant. If you want to earn $50 per hour as a Pinterest assistant, you need to focus on providing high-quality services to your clients. This means being responsive, reliable, and knowledgeable. You should also be able to deliver results. One way to increase your earning potential is to specialize in a particular area of Pinterest marketing. For example, you could specialize in creating pins for a particular industry, or you could specialize in managing Pinterest accounts for small businesses. Another way to increase your earning potential is to offer your clients a package of services. For example, you could offer a package that includes pin creation, scheduling, and account management. Becoming a Pinterest assistant can be a great way to earn a good living and work from home. However, it's important to remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and effort to build a successful Pinterest assistant business. If you're willing to put in the work, you can achieve your goal of earning $50 per hour as a Pinterest assistant. Thanks for watching my video on how to earn $50 per hour as a Pinterest assistant. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.